Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to look at how to decide if Fundbox is right for startups. Now, is Fundbox a good financing option for your startup? Let's break it down: when it works well, when to be cautious, and of course how to evaluate if it's the right fit for your early stage business. Step 1 is to understand Fundbox's basic requirements. Now, the minimum is 6 months in business, also needs 100,000 plus annual revenue, and a business bank account that's connected digitally. And if you're pre-revenued or just launched, Fundbox may not be a good fit for you. Next is to check if your business model fits. Now, Fundbox is ideal if you have regular cash flow from customers, if you offer net terms, that is invoicing clients, and of course if you need fast capital for short-term needs like payroll, marketing, and inventory. It is not ideal for venture-backed tech startup burning cash, and of course product R&D with no revenue pipeline. Next up is to look at Fundbox's speed and flexibility. Now, there is approval in minutes, which is of course great. There's also funds in your account as fast as the next day, and only pay for what you draw. This flexibility is great for agile startups needing fast turn capital. Next is to check out step 4, which is consider the cost. Now, weekly payments over 12 or 24 weeks is what Fundbox is all about, as well as APR equivalents may be 5 to 60%. So just make sure that your startup can generate return on investments quickly to justify this cost. Next is to compare with alternatives. Startups should also consider business credit cards at 0% intro APR, PayPal working capital for e-commerce, microloans or SBA startup loans, as well as revenue-based financing if you have traction. You can use Fundbox when you need flexible line of credit, quick access, and no long-term obligations. Next is to evaluate your exit strategy. Now, are you planning a funding round soon? Make sure that short-term debt like Fundbox won't hurt your cash flow, won't scare off investors, and of course plan your repayment windows extremely carefully. Fundbox can be a powerful tool for cash positive startups that need short-term working capital, but it is not a magic bullet. Make sure that your growth or revenue justifies the cost and use it strategically. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.